Ultimate travel tips, expert advice for hassle-free adventures. Are you ready for your next adventure? With these ultimate travel tips, you'll be sure to have a hassle-free journey from start to finish. First tip, always pack light. By packing only essentials, you'll save time and avoid lugging around heavy bags. Next tip, research your destination beforehand. Familiarize yourself with local customs, attractions, and even the language. This will help you navigate and make the most of your trip. Another important tip is to stay organized. Keep your travel documents, passports, and important information easily accessible. This will save you from any last-minute panics. Now, let's talk about money. Before you leave, research the best ways to manage your money abroad. Notify your bank about your travel plans and consider carrying a mix of cash and cards. Next up, communication is key. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language and download a translation app. This will help you connect with locals and navigate on familiar places. Now on to accommodations. Book accommodations in advance to avoid any last-minute hassles or disappointment. Look for reviews and recommendations to ensure a comfortable stay. And lastly, be open to new experiences. Embrace the culture, try new foods, and step out of your comfort zone. That's what travel is all about. So there you have it, our ultimate travel tips for a hassle-free adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel advice and inspiration. Happy travels!